Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company Limited, one of Jamaica's leading distributors of hardware, plumbing and construction materials, marked a historic milestone with its official listing on the junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The company's initial public offering, which raised approximately $500 million, closed 5% oversubscribed. CEO Dinal Barnes says that it reflects investor confidence in the company's legacy and growth strategy.
As we look ahead, Atlantic is on a clear path of sustained growth. We'll continue to expand our business through product diversification, superior customer service, and increased operational efficiencies. Listing on the junior market is pivotal in our growth progress. This move provides us with increased transparency, as you would have heard from Dr. Forrest, strong governance, greater access to capital, and the benefit of the specialized concessionary tax regime available to junior market companies.
Meanwhile, Managing Director of the Stock Exchange, Dr. Martin Street Forrest, says there are now 48 companies listed on the junior market.
The total capital raised by companies listed on the junior market now amounts to $22.6 billion. Now that is significant, because when we started with the one company on the market, we raised, I think it was about $150 million, and we are at $22.6 billion.
And to the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 2,281 points today to close at 322,095 points. The junior market index declined by 35 points to close at 3,523 points. 34 stocks advanced, including 138 Student Living, Cygnus Credit Investments 10% preference shares, Proven Group US dollar shares, Cygnus Credit Investments 10.5% preference shares, and JFP. 56 stocks declined, including Berger Paints, Jetcon Corporation, MFS Capital Partners, ISP Finance Services, and Omni Industries. 17 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended today with the banks and the cambios selling the US dollar for an average $158.64. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $111.31. The pound is going for $206.03, while the euro is selling for an average $173.01. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.